Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix Windows 11 black screen error problem. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to press Alt, Ctrl and Delete button from your keyboard. After press Alt, Ctrl and Delete, you will get this window. You just need to click on Task Manager over here. Now what you have to do, you just need to go to File and click on Run a New Task. So if you are using new version of Windows 11, you will get this Run New Task over here. Okay, so you just need to click on Run New Task. After that, you just need to type over here explorer.exe, which I'll give you the command on my video description. After that, click on OK. Now it will fix your problem. Still, if you are facing same problem, then you just need to press and hold Shift button from your keyboard, and you just need to click on Restart button. Okay, now you will get this window. What you have to do, you just need to click on Troubleshoot. Here you will get Advanced option. Click on that. Here you will get two type of option. If you are facing this issue after update, then you just need to click on this Uninstall Updates, and here you will get two option, which is Uninstall Latest Quality Update and Uninstall Latest Feature Update. So try both this option. If still a problem is there, then you can try this one, which is Startup Repair, and after that it will fix your problem. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.